It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, less hunger on keto. Here's the super secret key advantage the keto diet will give you. And this is based on lots of research. There's one huge and wonderful fact you need to know. When you get into the keto diet, when you really get rolling and get into ketosis, you tend to eat less calories than you did before without noticing. Actually, in keto, we aren't all that concerned about calories, within reason. We're more concerned about getting into ketosis. It's one of the two things the keto diet does really well, and it gives you a much bigger chance of success than any other weight loss system. Secret weapon number one, we've got ketosis, and they don't. The keto diet, when done right, gets your body into ketosis. What is ketosis? Ketosis is when your body stops using sugar to make energy and starts burning up fat for energy. You know those little candles you make by putting vegetable oil in a bowl? The wick floats on top of the oil, but it's the oil or fat that is actually burning. After a few hours, all the oil or fat burns up and the bowl is empty. That's what happens in your body when you are in ketosis. Fat literally melts away as it is consumed by your body. Being in ketosis is the holy grail. You just go about your daily life while the fat is melting away. If you want a shortcut to get into ketosis without all the endless calculations and trying to figure out what to eat and how much and all that and what recipe, we have a done-for-you system, which you can find at rockthatketo.com/SK. rockthatketo.com/S as in Sam, K as in King. It gives you your recipes, what to eat every day, even your shopping list. You don't even have to think about anything. It's instant success. Okay, back to the research. Second secret weapon. Research shows that people on keto eat fewer calories than they did before they started on keto without even noticing. If you've always wished you could be one of those people that's skinny and they forget to eat, you know those people? It can actually happen to you. How does it accomplish that? You follow three principles. Make sure you eat enough protein so the body can replace muscle and repair cells. Make sure you eat enough fat so the body feels satiated. That's right, fat, those yummy tummy satisfiers. And third, make sure you reduce the carbs to the amount that the body can't use them for energy. When there are not enough sugars in the blood, the body is then forced to burn fat. This keeps you away from those foods that turn straight into fat, like candy and bread and other carbs. Cravings are the enemy of dieters. You know that empty feeling that makes you start grazing? You can't figure out what you want. You just have to eat something. Your stomach actually has brain cells in and around it. Your stomach can actually communicate. So this is your body talking, not you. It isn't even your fault. Your body's designed to force you to hunt when you're not getting the nutrients you need. It's a survival mechanism built into us from our earliest days of existence. But when your body feels like it has everything it needs, it won't tell you to go hunting. It won't tell you to go looking for some food you can't name, but you think you need. You will sit in peace and feel good while you lose weight. How amazing can you get? So if you want to get going right away, jumpstart your system without trying to go learn a million new things, just go to rockthatketo.com/SK. We have it all laid out for you so you can start today. And that's today's keto tip. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.